Ship of worship. You'll be amazed by what just happened to the Shiba Inu coin. Since it came out, the Shib meme coin has caught the attention of cryptocurrency buyers from all over the world. Shiba Inu can be used to pay for things in the real world, and it's almost as well known on the Bitcoin market as Dogecoin. Shiba Inu's entry into the metaverse market will also help customers who want to do things like play online virtual reality games, trade NFT, and buy digital land. Shiba Inus are an innovative breed. Because of the incentive system, Shiba Inu owners can stake, give, and make money without doing anything. In this movie, we'll talk about Holy Shib. What just happened to the Shiba Inu coin will blow your mind. If you like what you see, please give us a big thumbs up. Share it with your friends and join the group. Now let's start watching the movie. So, let's get to it. Shiba Inu was started by a mysterious man named Ryoshi in 2020. Until recently, it seemed like Ryoshi had given up on the idea. It is the second most important joke coin on the market and ranks 14th in terms of how much money has been put into it. Shiba, like Dogecoin, has grown in popularity and credibility as a digital currency in recent months. This is shown by the fact that AMC, the biggest owner of movie theaters and cinemas in the United States, has decided to accept this coin as payment at its theaters. Or you could be like Robinhood, the most popular trading app in the US, which decided in April to add it to the coins that can be traded on its site. Shib seems to be going through a particularly tricky time on the market, since experts say it is close to a key support level that, if broken, could start a new bearish phase. Even though it was announced that it would be listed soon on the major BitMEX exchange and the online card game Shiba Eternity, which has a direct link to its coin, was released. In the past week, the number of trades has gone up by 121, which is a sure sign that there will soon be a big move in one direction or the other. Many experts think that Shib brought in more than 100,000 new licenses. At the moment, 2,002,375 people own this dog-themed coin. Since the much-anticipated trading card game Shiba Eternity came out a week ago, that number has gone up by about 10,000. On the first day of the game, 2,220 new people joined the Shiba coin. As you already said, Elon Musk said earlier today that on October 12, one of his companies will put out a perfume with its own brand. Strangely, the goal of the boring business was to build underground tunnels to reduce traffic in cities. The smell is called burnt hair, and each bottle costs $104 USD. On the first day of the discussion, 10,000 bottles worth $1 million were sold. Musk said in a tweet that Doge can be used as payment, but BitPay, a payment platform, also lets people pay with Shiba Inu, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many other digital currencies. The next day, Musk tweeted 20,000, which some people thought meant that sales of burnt hair Dogecoin had gone up. This doesn't change the price in any way. Even a member of the Doge development team said it was hard for him to buy the perfume in the main room. He said the whole process was hard, and he didn't know if he was successful or not in the end. Ryoshi sees the burn portal's effects. The Shiba Inu team just said that ShibaEarn.com is real. Users will also have access to a new burn mechanism that works like the Shibarium protocol. This is because the company is betting on a lot of people burning their tokens to raise the value of SHIB. On October 13, SureBurn.com said that 20 billion SHIB tokens were burned in just one day, bringing the overall burn to 410.38 billion. Since the total number of Shiba Inus is almost 1 quadrillion and about 589 trillion are in circulation, there is still work to be done in this area as the project continues to add new features. There is a good amount of action on the network for the bar and the new token. The price of the ticket has changed a lot over the course of 2022. In February, it was worth 30 cents, but now it's only worth 90 cents. As of October 13, the token was still one of the top 15 tokens, with a fully reduced market cap of about $5.8 billion. Analysts say that SHIB may have a bright future because of a number of factors. Even though buyers may be worried about the future because of the price drop. One of these parts is the work that the Shiba Inu project is doing to make improvements that will make the ecosystem's functions and services much better. One of the main things that makes Kibs likely to be successful in 2023 is that it plans to add a lot of new features in the coming months. By just recently putting out the Shiba Eternity card game, which quickly became the most popular card game in the App Store. Already, it has taken steps in this way. The game is free to play and was made by Plays companies and Shib working together. The crypto community's ability to change and add new features is what sets it apart from a normal meme coin. Along with Shiba Eternity, the team is also working on Shiba Inu, which is a Layer 2 option. There is no set date for this to come out, but some people have asked for a date for the public test. Planned to come out in the third quarter of 2022, or maybe a little later. Shibarium won't be talked about again until it is finished. The Layer 2 fix will lower the cost of gas for all ERC-20 tokens, including Shiba Inu. The team says that Shibarium will bring transaction costs down to pennies and cut transaction times to seconds. Even if everything went right. Prices on the cryptocurrency market can be hard to predict, but what happens with Shiba Inu may be able to tell us something about the token's future. From its all-time high of $86 to its current low of 90 cents, the token's price has dropped by nearly 89. From its all-time low, the price of that ship has gone up by an incredible 17,204,000 to 584.7. Investors think that 2020 will at least be a good year. Next year, investors can expect a range from 0 to 40, and a high of 30 cents in 2 years is a very real possibility. Because the crypto market is hard to predict, meme coins have a lot of ups and downs. As the hype takes over the market, it's possible that Shib will grow even more. Some experts think it could go even higher, to $1. But this isn't likely. At a $1 price, the total market value of Shib would be $549 million. As of right now, the market capitalization of the Bitcoin business is more than 50. Bitcoin, on the other hand, is only worth $364 billion on the market. Bad Dad. Dad is rich. Writer Robert Kiyosaki has again said that the US economy and the dollar will fall by a lot. In a recent tweet warning that millions of people could die, Kiyosaki said that most people don't think about macroeconomic problems like rising food and fuel prices because they don't see them. The best-selling author then told his fans to be careful with macro. This time, in addition to Bitcoin, I think you should buy silver and gold. Kiyosaki has been right for the last 2 years when he said that the US dollar was about to fall apart. Only in 2020 did the Federal Reserve print more than $6 trillion, and this year, the US central bank raised interest rates many times. BitMEX, one of the most well-known cryptocurrency exchanges, has made it clear that it will soon list 6 new cryptocurrencies. One of these coins that will soon be on the list is the famous meme token. Thanks to the post, users will be able to add and remove Shiba Inu from their exchange accounts. BitMEX, one of the few big cryptocurrency platforms, still didn't have a Dogecoin competitor. Price, on the other hand, doesn't seem to